That's your lunch being eaten by a 26-year-old in a garage who doesn't give a shit about your industry experience. Right now, while you're debating strategy in the conference room coffin, there's a ticking sound that you can't hear. Tick. That's Netflix uploading while Blockbuster held another meeting. Tock. That's Uber scaling while taxi companies protected medallions. Tick. That's Amazon shipping while Sears celebrated their real estate portfolio. Tock. That's your lunch being eaten by a 26-year-old in a garage who doesn't give a shit about your industry experience. Every single second you wait, the bomb gets closer to zero. You think you have time? Kodak had 131 years gone. Toys R Us had 70 years gone. Blockbuster had 25 years gone. Boom. I keep 2 sets of keys now. One to remember where I've been, and one to drive where I'm going. Which set will you carry? Your company's obituary has already been written. Now go delete it before it deletes you.